Hey, I'm Szenan from the Acupuncture School. Have you seen a lot of my burning mountain technique video, right? But you haven't seen the cool sky acupuncture technique yet, right? So that's one of the case. Let's check it out. Okay. The cold still there?
Yeah,
Where does it go?
goes on my, not far from my eyes.
Above your eyes. The cold.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Well, that's very cool, right? So yes, if you want to learn more, follow me and share this video. Okay, and if you want to join my workshop, and contact me here, and I'll share with you where is my workshop's gonna be. I'm flying to Malaysia in a few days and coming back to New Zealand, and then we're gonna straight away start our workshop in New Zealand. Stay awesome. See you next time.